Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Uttarakhand Global Investors Summit in Dehradun today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the first Indian Art, Architecture and Design Biennale 2023 at Red Fort in Delhi today. In Mizoram, veteran politician and ZMP leader Lal Duhoma will be sworn in as the next Chief Minister of the Hill State today. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar held talks with Rwanda Foreign Minister Vincent Biruta in New Delhi yesterday. The Reserve Bank of India has kept the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.5% in the monetary review meeting.